New York State Governor Kathy Hochul has a new safety plan for New York City, and I believe it will work.
New York Governor Kathy Hochul announced new efforts to fight rising crime in New York City's subway system, which is up 13%, and that's just since last year. So Hochul is deploying 1,000 state personnel from the MTA, state police, even the National Guard to help the city. And
funding with tax dollars to serve New York City and protect everyone on the subways and buses and all over is an excellent strategy. Let's utilize the state troopers and National Guard effectively so criminals will make a change and have fear instead of the riders.